In some really good news, that guy right there, Cole Davies, is back racing. Now, obviously, we haven't seen him since the Supercross finale in Salt Lake City, where he had the really bad broken arm and nose. If you saw that, it was a pretty big crash, let's put it that way. But this is exciting. Obviously, getting him back, who showed just incredible amounts of talent and speed in Supercross, and it's even better considering 2 rounds, so got a little bit of time before SMX playoffs. Somebody correct me if he could actually qualify for that. I'm assuming he probably will, but I don't actually know. So somebody, math down in the comments below, tell me. But another fun side of things, this is actually his motocross pro debut. Last year, he only did the Loretta Lynn's summer rounds, no pro rounds, and a lot of people didn't even expect him to race pro at all this year. You know, he was kind of slated for the SMX Next program for 2025, and then got moved up to the big boy team early in the year, and for him, it's worked out well. I mean, what is he, 16, 17, something like that? I mean, it sucks, obviously, to have the major injury that he did at the end of Supercross, but at the age he is, you know, it's not the worst thing in the world, obviously, as long as there's no lingering problems from it. You know, missing one season of outdoors is not going to be the worst thing. And for him, hey, time off the bike, you know, get everything fully healed, get ready for, again, SMX playoffs if he's in, I don't know, but, you know, just kind of get fully reset. It's going to be your, you know, sophomore year, first real full year if he does outdoors, or can stay healthy and do fully outdoors too for next year. And hopefully, you know, we don't see a sophomore slump, because he did look incredibly fast last year. Push Deegan, you know, he's going to be a title contender. You have to expect whatever coast he's on. And I'm excited for this. You know, see where he falls in the last 2 rounds of motocross with Unadilla and the finales at Budds Creek. And who knows? I mean, if he comes out and he's 10th, 12th, whatever, it's not a big deal, because it doesn't really matter. He's not in a championship. This is kind of just get back on the bike and see where you fall. All these guys are going to be at race speed, so he's kind of well behind the 8 ball there, but I'm excited for this. And hopefully he does well. You know, he comes out and he looks competitive, and, you know, we can get a preview of everything that's to come next year, but I'm excited for this. More people coming back, more competition's always a good thing. But that's what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Where does he finish? Top 10, top 5, top 20? Does he, you know, have a horrible showing? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Are you going to any of the 2 last rounds? Whatever it is. Like I said, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.